Have you ever scrolled through your feed and seen a picture of some bizarre, alien-like creature that washed up on a beach? You know, the ones with giant eyes, bioluminescent spots, and mouths full of needle-sharp teeth? These are creatures of the deep sea, residents of a world thousands of feet below us, cloaked in darkness and crushed by immense pressure. For centuries, they were the stuff of myths and legends. But lately, it seems like we're seeing them more and more often, far from their deep-sea homes. So what's going on? Why are these mysterious animals suddenly appearing in the shallows and on our shores? Let's dive into the abyss to find some answers. One of the primary suspects is changes in ocean currents and temperature. The ocean is a complex system of interconnected currents, like massive underwater rivers. These currents are driven by temperature and salinity differences. When these patterns are disrupted, often by climate change and rising ocean temperatures, it can have a domino effect. Deep, cold, nutrient-rich water can be pushed upwards in events known as upwelling. While this can be a good thing for surface fisheries, unusually strong or misplaced upwelling events can act like an elevator, unintentionally carrying deep-sea creatures along for the ride. They get caught in these powerful upward flows and are brought to a world that is fatally bright and low pressure for them. Another major factor is what scientists call ocean deoxygenation. It sounds complicated, but it's pretty straightforward. Certain parts of the ocean are losing oxygen. As global temperatures rise, warmer water holds less dissolved oxygen. Combined with nutrient runoff from land, this can create vast oxygen minimum zones. Imagine your home suddenly running out of air. What would you do? You'd flee to find a place where you can breathe. Deep-sea creatures are doing the same. When their deep, dark habitats become unlivable due to a lack of oxygen, they are forced to move, often upwards, in a desperate search for more oxygenated water. This journey is perilous, and many don't survive the drastic change in pressure and temperature. We also have to consider extreme weather events. Think about powerful underwater seismic activity, like earthquakes or volcanic eruptions on the seafloor. These can cause massive disturbances, creating powerful shock waves and displacing huge volumes of water, literally blasting deep-sea inhabitants from their homes. Similarly, intense storms and hurricanes on the surface can churn the ocean so violently that they disrupt the water column deep down, pulling creatures up from the depths. It's like putting the entire ocean in a blender, and these animals are just caught in the mix, ending up far from where they belong. Finally, while it's a sad reality, human activity plays a role. Deep-sea trawling, a fishing method that involves dragging massive nets along the ocean floor, indiscriminately scoops up everything in its path. While targeting specific commercial species, these nets often bring up a host of deep-sea creatures as bycatch. These animals, which were never meant to see the light of day, are then discarded, often already deceased due to the rapid depressurization. It's a direct mechanical way we are pulling these creatures from their hidden world. So when you see that next viral photo of a mysterious sea monster on the beach, remember it's not an invasion. It's often a distress signal. These appearances are a visible and sometimes startling indicator of the profound changes happening in the silent, dark world of the deep ocean. It's a powerful reminder that our actions on the surface have far-reaching consequences, extending to the most remote and mysterious corners of our planet. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of our world. See you next time.